Say hello to the future of reliable power. Prodigy exclusive company has just installed a powerful 2500 watt solar generator at Okerube Ikotun Lagos, and it's a game changer. This 2500 watt solar generator is built to handle heavy-duty appliances, ensuring uninterrupted power for your home or business. No fuel, no noise, just clean, affordable energy straight from the sun. Whether it's for lighting, fans, refrigerators, or more, this solar generator provides the perfect solution for sustainable and cost-effective energy. Save money and reduce your carbon footprint today. Ready to switch to solar? Call us now at 0912-441-8659 or reach out to us on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at Prodigy Exclusive Company. Let's help you enjoy reliable power wherever you are. Prodigy Exclusive